Hello everyone, myself Lohit Dalal, lecturer, Electronics and Communication Engineering Department, Jain Polytechnic Belgavi. Today I am going to discuss unit number 4, Organizational Safety. In this session, I am going to discuss safety provisions under the Indian Factory Act 1948. Okay, in previous lectures we have discussed safety organizations, safety methods, okay, how to take safety actions. Okay, there are different structures of safety organizations, and also we have discussed fire prevention and protections, and also crisis managements also we have discussed. Today I'm going to discuss safety provisions under Indian Factory Act 1948 in order to make a safety for the employees or our workers, okay, or a institutional or a management. Okay, so there will be some rules and regulations made by Indian government. Okay, so safety provisions means safety measure of devices, equipments or other modes which ensures the safety. Okay, so example, there will be a presence of guard enclosing or a rotating part of a machines, etc. The following, okay, there will be a Indian Factory Act 1948 has been established primarily to provide safety measures and to promote the health and welfare of the workers, employees working in the factories. Okay, so the safety provisions made to provide the safety to the employees and the employer. Okay, and also already I said presence of guard enclosing a rotating part of the machines. Okay, so safety provisions under Indian Factory Act 1948 are: first one, fencing and guarding must be provided for a rotating parts such as flywheels, water wheels, moving parts of a motor or a generators. Okay, safety safeguards should be provided for the employees, and also no lifting devices, example crane, pulley, block rings, hooks, etc. should be loaded beyond the permissible limit. Okay, there will be some limits will be there. Okay, according to the government of Karnataka, or state government, or you can name it as a central government. Okay, there is some government has made the rules and regulations to lift the equipments. Okay, there is some limits they made. Okay, according to limits they have to follow permissible limits. Okay, and also no woman or a young person and unskilled worker will be allowed to clean or lubricate and adjust the machineries which is running. Okay, and okay, in order to become a safer side, okay, in order to avoid the accidents, okay, skilled persons can be sent to make the lubricants, and also suitable mechanism should be exist for shifting a belt drives. Adequate layout, proper ventilation and adequate light provisions should be provided, and also workers should be made safety conscious throughout the training, and also driving belt when not in use should not be allowed to rest on the moving shafts. Okay, and also suitable striking gear or other efficient mechanical appliances are to be provided and mentioned. When person has to work at a place from where he is likely to fall from distance exceeding 2 meters. Okay, and also all machineries driven by power and installed in a factory must be cased. A notice permanently fixed near each involving machinery indicating the maximum safe working speed is required in the process of grinding is carried out. Okay, so in this session we have discussed Safety Provisions Act under 1948. Okay, in order to provide the safety for the employees or industrialists, okay, or a managements. Okay, some rules or regulations are to be made in all. Okay, and also workers should made safety conscious throughout the training. Okay, they have to provide the training and all. Okay, some rules and regulations to be provided and some punishments to be given. Okay, sometimes they some people will do it purposely. Okay, right, in order to avoid that, so some Factory Act Indian government had made some act to be, okay, in order to provide the safety to the employees or employers. Okay, so, and also there will be some provisions made by the state governments. Okay, in order to lift the parts or a weight. Okay, some weighted materials they are going to lift this much weight they have to lift. Okay, there is a permissible limits made by the governments. Okay, thank you.